Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. It's the holidays, but this is good any time of year. And I'm always looking for a side dish, but something with a little twist to it. So I decided to make this green bean casserole. Absolutely phenomenal. It's creamy. You're gonna love it, so let me walk you through this. So what I have here are 8 cups of green beans, and I've trimmed the edges and cut them into chunks. It depends on how big you want them. Next up, I've got a pot of boiling water, and I'm going to put some salt in, and what this does is make the beans nice and green. Now I'm going to put the green beans in and allow them to boil for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, the beans are nicely done. So I'm going to just drain them a bit and set them aside in my casserole dish. And look how nice and green these are. Beautiful. Okay, next up it's time to make the sauce. So I'm going to put in 6 strips of chopped bacon. You can never go wrong with bacon, but you know, if you don't like bacon, you can use ham or just leave it out. Once the bacon is slightly browned, I'm going to add in 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Like I always say, keep the vampires away. And you can add in more if you like. And we're going to saute this for a couple of minutes, just until it's fragrant. After that, I'm going to add in half a cup of half and half, and if you don't have it, you can use milk. 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. You can make this from scratch, but you know, I find it a lot easier to use the canned stuff. Some pepper. I'm a pepper lover, so I'm going to use, you know, a fair amount. Stir this up. And over medium heat, we're going to cook this until it's heated through. Once it's heated through, I'm going to kill the heat and go ahead and spoon it over our lovely green beans. Now I'm going to top this off with some fried onions, and you can pick these up in just about any grocery store, or you can make it from scratch. Now I'm going to slip this into a 400 degree Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius preheated oven for about 20 minutes or until it's hot and bubbly. And there you have it, my friends, our green bean casseroles. Great side dish. Great for any occasion, especially the holidays. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Phenomenal, guys. I love the creaminess. The bacon is good if you're going to use bacon. The beans are perfectly done. Just love it. And eat more. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. And see you next time.